I managed to get hold of an Anbernic RG Nano thing. This is very cute. I love it already. I don't think these things have been out very long, and this is in pretty good condition. It's got a couple of scuffs on the back, but it's not bad at all. And apparently it doesn't charge. It comes on for about 5 seconds, I think the listing said, but it doesn't charge. So let's test that. Let's try and power it on.
There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6. 6 seconds. I'll let you off the second. And we've obviously got a symbol up there showing that the battery is completely dead. So it's one of two things. It's either a faulty battery or a faulty charging port. Now, I don't think these have been out very long at all. I think they've only been out like three or 4 months. So I can't see it being the battery. My money's on the charging port. It looks okay from here, but let's get it under the microscope and let's have a quick look. Luke. Well, it looks dirty, but I'm not sure there's anything wrong with the pins. I don't know. Well, let's try and plug it in. Get some of this crud out of there. That's lovely. I think this is the problem with something that fits in your pocket. Right, let's try and plug it in. We use the amp meter and see if it's drawing anything. It goes in okay. No, it's not drawing anything. Nothing at all. Try it the other way around. Also nothing. I'm just going to have another look under the microscope. Ah. Yeah, I thought it was a little bit bent up here, and if you look at that, yeah, it's cracked there, isn't it? Yeah, it's got a crack all the way through it. Right, okay. So it's going to need a new port. Let's take it apart and let's find out.
Okay, you know what time it is. It's time to skip. It's time to trip. It's time to mother flippin' flip. Let's go. We're gonna do this, we're gonna fix this up. But not before saying thanks, you know what's up. It's the concrete donkey smashing up the place. Frito TV is ace, ain't no disgrace, keep pace. Back to Princess Wizard is moving on up. The tall dentist spit out the cup. Riding around in your Jeep or your Benzo, said Will Smith. Was it about me Benzo? Pour me a glass of 12-year-old scotch. With it we toast the legend Badger Squatch. Tim Aus Magdeburg, what's your motto? You're living where they buried Emperor Otto. Bring it on, there's more like Kui Jingus. I'm gonna slam like Onyx sticky fingers. We're making these bars sound so routine. Last of the donkeys, it's Anthony Dean. It's the HHGs, time to consider the A1 base surrogate. Antida, Kenneth, Terry, Flux, Greavesy, was Lee Grieve, but now it rhymes easy, see? Kid, Paceline, Nashor, you guys rock. The boy wizard, jump through shit, and Kiss sucks. Give Keisha a chance, ain't no doofus. No Jonathan Harden, Adam Taylor, Nate Lucas. Time to end this beat, what you got? Ain't no joke, so who's in the spot? Michael Biggie got it last time, brew. So now it's get the money, 77.92. Peace.
Tell you what, this thing is very nicely made. This is like aluminum, and it's very nicely put together. It's very
solid,
and just feels good quality. Obviously, the USB port isn't great. Right, better save that bit. Right, let's have a look under the microscope and see what kind of port this is. Right, so it's one of those that's got less than 20 pins. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 pins. And these ones are obviously doubled up here. Right, it does look kind of familiar. I think I've worked on something else with a port just like that. I can't remember what. I'll put it up here. So before I go take it off, let's see if I have one in my magic box of stuff. I have some USB-Cs here, and we've got 6 pin, 6 pin, 6 pin, 2 pin, 16 pin. Oh, it did have 16 pins though, didn't it? Because 4 of them were double. Yeah. Right, I think it looks like this one, which is the 16 pin. This one here. Let's have a look at that. Well, that looks pretty much the same. In fact, I'd go so far as to say that is the exact port. It's got the exact same number of pins in the exact same places. It's even got those 2 dimples on the top. Are the ground legs in the same place? I don't know because I keep dropping it. Yeah, they are. Excellent. Right, let's get this port off. I am just going to cover the buttons and all the plastic bits basically with aluminium tape. Alright, there we go. Nice. Let's get this off. Right, just looking on the back of it, it's got this capacitor here, which, well, I presume it's a capacitor. Although it does look like it says D1. But I obviously, is it a diode? Is it an LED? What is that? Yeah, I'm a bit worried about that, because if that is an LED, that's just going to melt. I think I better take that off first, just in case. Right, I'm going to use low melt on that, just to be on the safe side. Right, let's put a little bit of low melt solder on here. I say a little bit, what I meant was absolutely loads. Well, it worked. Let's put this somewhere safe. There you go, Dave. You look after that. Right, let's get this port off now. Right, I'm going the whole hog, 500 degrees. Let's just get this thing off as quickly as possible. Nice. Right, time for the solid test. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to go over some of these, but let's find out.
Solid. Solid. Not solid.
Right, the fact that that one wasn't
Solid.
I'm going to go over all of them, just to be on the safe side. Right, solid test number 2.
And solid.
Right, let's check for Jeff Bridges. Multimeter in continuity. No. Yes, but some of these might be connected anyway. Yeah, they probably are. Yeah, they might be. That might be normal. Let's have a look under the microscope. I'm already under the microscope. Let's have a look at a different angle, is what I meant. No, I think we're all good. I can't see any Jeffs there. I think we're good. Right, Dave, give me that diode back. I think that'll do. Let's clean it up with some isopropyl alcohol. Nice. Now let's remove the aluminum tape and see if we've melted anything. Ooh. No, I don't think so. No. Excellent. Which means my days since last melted plastic thing can stay at 6 days. Right, I don't think I have to put this fully back together. Well, I don't have to put it fully back together. I mean, I usually do for the video, but I'm not going to this time because I just want to see if that is a diode or not, because I can't see on here. Yeah, there's no hole cut out or anything, so I don't know whether it's an LED or not, but it might light up. Let's find out. Okay, let's plug it in, plug it in. Yes! 0.6 amps, 0.58 amps. I'll take that. Let's try it the other way around. Yes! Excellent. Right, obviously the screen's not connected or anything, so I don't know if it's working, but in fact, I'm going to leave it on charge for a bit, and then I'm going to put it back together. So I'll leave you there. Fade. Wait, come back from the fade. Stop fading. This is an LED. I don't know if you can see that. But I don't understand, really, because there's nowhere for it to shine through on here. So that would be... where would that be? There, so it'd be on the top. But unless you can see it through there, which I very much doubt, because it's solid aluminum, maybe they planned on having a different case with a little charging light on. Or maybe... oh! Maybe that's what this is. Yes. So that goes over there, doesn't it? And probably illuminates that ring. Yeah, that'll be what it is. Anyway, sorry. Fade again. Fade. Okay, that's been charging now for about 20 minutes, half an hour. Let's pop it all back together and let's see if the thing actually works. Right, here we go. I mean, it came on before, so it should work. Oh. No. Wait, what? Did I put the screen back on, didn't I? Oh. Yes, it's charging, because you can see that little LED does shine through there. Oh, no. Right. Take it apart again, I guess. I'm hoping it's just the screen ribbon cable or something. Damn. Oh. Okay, maybe it was just the screen thing. Maybe it just wasn't seated properly. Right, okay. Whew! Let's put it back together again. Right, let's try again. No, now that doesn't click properly. What am I doing here? This is ridiculous. Right, I just over-tightened one of the screws by mistake. Right, let's try it now. Hey! Oh, let's just plug it in, make sure it's got like a charging symbol on or something. No, it doesn't actually come up with anything on the screen, but that LED is illuminated very faintly, but I guess it's better when you've not got studio lights on. Right, now what do we do? Oh, Game Gear. Let's do Double Dragon. Yes! Tell you what, I love this thing. It's so cute. I know it's tiny, and you know I've got big goalkeeper hands, but this I can still play it. It's very playable, and I just love the fact that it's literally just a keyring, and it's got a load of games on it. It's awesome. I love it, but that game is pretty stupid.
True care, truth brings. I'll take